Being likable to someone is important not only for personal well-being, but also for achieving success in one's career. In this lesson, we will discuss some simple tips that will help you become a more attractive and sociable person.
The first tip is to be sincere and authentic.
When you behave naturally, without masks or facades, people sense it and appreciate it. Instead of trying to impress someone, be yourself and allow others to see your true personality. This will help you find people who value and love you for who you really are. The second tip is to listen to others. People love to talk about themselves and share their thoughts and feelings. Listen and ask questions to show that you are interested and that what your interlocutor is saying is important to you. At the same time, do not interrupt or dominate the conversation. Let others express themselves and express their opinion. The third tip is to smile. A smile can be infectious and create a positive mood. Moreover, it can make you more attractive and friendly in the eyes of those around you. Remember that a smile is one of the most powerful tools of social communication. The fourth tip is to find common interests. If you share common interests with other people, it can become a basis for further communication and building relationships. Common interests can be related to work, hobbies, culture, sports, etc. Do not be afraid to share your hobbies with others and be open to new acquaintances.